Hello folks, I welcome you all in our channel We Learn English.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So how are you all? Hope you all are fit as fiddle. So as you all know that in our previous video we talked about some exercises related to present, past, simple and also present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Okay, and today in this video we're gonna do the remaining exercise our chapter. So let's start. But as you all know that before doing the exercises we used to have a quick recap. So let's have a quick recap of present, past and future continuous. Okay, so as you all know, continuous, it means verb fifth form, or you can say verb first form with ing. Wherever we will use continuous, we'll have to use verb fifth form, or you can say verb first form with ing. Okay, if we will talk about present continuous, okay, then we will use the helping verb is are. Okay, is we will use with singular, am will be used for I and are we will use for plural, you, we, they. Okay, next we will talk about past continuous. Okay, in past continuous we use the verb was and were. We use was with he, she, it and I, and we use were with you, we and they. Okay, if we will talk about future continuous tense, it means we'll have to use the helping verb will be plus verb fifth form. Okay, is mr का कैसे आपको यूज करना है, या मैं कहूँ आपको कैसे पता चलेगा, that you'll have to fill the blanks with the help of present continuous tense. Okay, if you'll find the words like now, right now, still, then you'll have to fill their present continuous tense. Okay, if you'll find the word like yesterday, last day, last week, last month, last year, then you'll have to fill the blank with the help of past continuous tense. Okay, and if you'll find the word like tomorrow or next, then you'll fill the blanks with the help of future continuous tense. It means you'll have to fill the verb will be plus verb fifth form. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to do the remaining exercise. Okay students, so now I'm going to show you the next exercise. Okay, and what we'll have to do in that, we'll have to fill the blanks with the help of past simple and past continuous. Okay, past simple, it means we'll have to fill the verb second form, and past continuous, it means we'll have to fill was verb plus verb fifth form. Okay, I hope you can do them easily. So I'm gonna speak the question. If you know the answer, then you can tell me in the comment section, and if you don't know, then I'll write the answer on the board. Okay, so what is our first sentence? That is a conversation between a father and a son. Father, you, your homework, and we have the verb do and finish. So we will fill did and finish. Okay, in first we'll fill did, finish. Okay, and what is the son replying? No, nahi, I was watching the match with my friends. मैं अपने friends के साथ मैच देख रहा था. I was watching. Okay, what is next? He is saying I completed the science project, कि मैंने साइंस का प्रोजेक्ट खत्म कर लिया है, and the remaining work will not take much time, और जो बचा हुआ काम है वो ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेगा. Okay, and the next conversation is aunt, hey, what happened? क्या हुआ? Okay, what happened? क्या हुआ? So answer आता है I burnt the curry. I burnt the curry. मैंने करी जला दी. I made, जो मैंने बनाई थी. Okay, what is next? I not know how to set the microwave. So we will fill I did not know. नोट आपके पास पहले से ही है. I did not know how to set a microwave. मुझे नहीं पता था कि माइक्रोवेव को कैसे सेट करना है. And did not switch it off. Did and switch. Okay. It was too late. और बहुत देर हो चुकी थी, इसीलिए जो करी थी वो जल गई. What is the next conversation? Doctor, when did the symptoms appear? Did के साथ हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं, इसीलिए फिल करेंगे appear. तुम्हें symptoms कब दिखे, लक्षण कब दिखे? पेशेंट जवाब देता है I was riding a roller coaster. Sorry, I was riding. Okay? And suddenly I felt everything was moving. What? Everything was moving in slow motion. कि सब कुछ एकदम धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. What is next? I panicked and came straight to your clinic. और सीधा आपके क्लिनिक आ गया. Okay? What is next? Okay. Preeti, what do you think happened to the dinosaurs? आपको क्या लगता है कि डायनासोरस के साथ क्या हुआ होगा? Happened. Okay. Their numbers were dwindling. Okay, what is next? And that hit probably wiped them out completely. Wiped. Okay, and what is the last? Fifth. Why were you sobbing earlier? Were sobbing. Okay, and next. My closest friend refused to have lunch with me for the third day in a row. I was very upset. Okay, that's it. We have completed this exercise also. Now we're going to do our next exercise. Okay, next exercise is related to future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, we'll fill the verb will be plus verb first form with ing. Okay, what is our first sentence? You and the verb we have hinder their progress if you help them. So we will fill you will be hindering, and first we will fill you will be hindering. Okay, what is next? The police reveal the names of the accused in the press conference tonight. Will be revealing. Okay, what is next? The children will be performing. Okay, what is next? She is upset because the class teacher informed her parents about her poor performance in the meeting today. Will be informing. Okay, what is next? The lawyer question the key witness tomorrow. Will be questioning. Okay, what is next? They keep the names of the winners a secret till the last minute. They will be keeping. Okay, what is next? Seventh. The roof leak badly in the rains if you don't fix it now. Will be leaking. Okay, what is next? The captain will be listening. Will be listening. What is next? We will be moving. Will be moving. Okay? And what is last? We remake the model to match the competition guidelines. We will be remaking. Will be remaking. Okay students, now we're going to do our next exercise, and it's also going to be related with future continuous tense. It means we'll have to fill the blanks with the help of will be plus verb fifth form. Okay, what is the event? You are a travel agent and have to send this initially to a client. Complete it using the future continuous forms of the verbs in the brackets. Okay, आप एक ट्रैवल एजेंट हैं और आप अपने क्लाइंट को भेज रहे हैं कुछ लिखकर कि आप किस तरीके से अपना टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, या फिर आप किस तरीके से जाएंगे यहाँ से, वहाँ पर आप कैसे पहुँचेंगे, वहाँ पर आप क्या क्या देखेंगे, इसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. We arrive in Venice Tuesday evening by train. Okay, अब मैं बता रही हूँ आपको किससे फिल करना है, ये फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस से, क्योंकि ये बता रहा है कि हम क्या क्या करने वाले हैं, कैसे पहुंचने वाले हैं. ओके, सो फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इट मींस विल बी प्लस वर्ब की फिफ्थ फॉर्म, इसीलिए हम फिल करेंगे विल बी अराइविंग. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? इन वेनिस ऑन ट्यूसडे इवनिंग बाय ट्रेन, कि हम वेनिस पहुंचेंगे ट्यूसडे इवनिंग को ट्रेन से. एंड चेक इनटू द होटल बाय डिनर टाइम, एंड विल बी चेकिंग. ओके, विल बी चेकिंग, और हम होटल में डिनर के टाइम तक पहुंच जाएंगे. वेंसडे मॉर्निंग, सुबह, वी विल बी लीविंग फॉर साइट सीकिंग. विल बी लीविंग, विल बी लीविंग, और हम वेंसडे मॉर्निंग को हम निकलेंगे वहां पे जितने भी देखने लायक चीजें हैं उनको देखने के लिए. ओके, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? वी बिगिन द टूर एट सेंट मार्क्स स्क्वायर. वी विल बी बिगिनिंग. ओके, विल बी बिगिनिंग, और हम हमारा जो टूर है वो सेंट मार्क्स स्क्वायर से शुरू करेंगे. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? अ डिलाइटफुल प्लेस फुल ऑफ पिजन्स. एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेस है जो पूरा पिजन से भरा हुआ होता है. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? एट द एंड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज द सेंट मार्क्स बेलिस्का. और जो स्क्वायर है इसके एंड पर एक जगह है जिसका नाम है सेंट मार्क्स बेलिस्का. वी विल बी क्लाइंबिंग. ओके, विल बी क्लाइंबिंग. वी विल बी क्लाइंबिंग टू द टॉप ऑफ द बेलिस्का. हम बेलिस्का के टॉप पर चढ़ रहे होंगे टू गेट अ व्यू ऑफ द स्क्वायर एंड द सिटी. उस स्क्वायर का और शहर का पूरा दृश्य देखने के लिए. ओके, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर, और स्क्वायर से वी विल बी टेकिंग. विल बी टेकिंग. ओके, विल बी टेकिंग अ वाटर बस टू मुरानो टू सी ग्लास ब्लोइंग. हम क्या करेंगे? वहां से एक वाटर बस लेंगे मुरानो के लिए. वी विल बी टाइमिंग. ओके, विल बी टाइमिंग आवर विजिट. We will be timing our visit to catch a demonstration of the glass blowing process at one of the shops in the area. हम ग्लास ब्लोइंग की जो प्रोसेस है वो वहां के किसी भी एरिया की एक शॉप में देखेंगे उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. एट मोरानो वी विल बी हैविंग. विल बी हैविंग लंच एट वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इटालियन कैफेज. सबसे पुराना जो होगा इटालियन कैफे, वहां पर हम क्या ले रहे होंगे? लंच ले रहे होंगे. आफ्टर एन आवर्स लंच ब्रेक, और लगभग 1 घंटे के लंच ब्रेक के बाद वी विल बी रिटर्निंग. विल बी रिटर्निंग टू द हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी एंड एक्सप्लोर्ड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल स्ट्रीट्स एंड नैरो एलीज. हम जो मेन सिटी है वहां पर आएंगे और उसके बाद हम क्या क्या देखेंगे, सुंदर गलियां और सकरी गलियां. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? सिंस वेनिस हैज सो मेनी वाटरवेज, और जैसे कि जो वेनिस है उसमें बहुत सारे वाटरवेज हैं, वी विल बी एंजॉइंग द फेमस गोंडोला राइड थ्रू द सिटी. हम सिटी में से गोंडोला राइड का एंजॉय करेंगे. वी विल बी कंक्लूडिंग with the tour back to the St. Mark's Square. और हम अपने जो टूर का एंड किससे करेंगे, हम वापस से सेंट मार्क स्क्वायर में आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो ये एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है कि किस तरीके से वेनिस जाएंगे और वेनिस में कब पहुंचेंगे, किस किस टाइम पे क्या क्या काम करेंगे, क्योंकि वो एक ट्रेवल एजेंट है, इसलिए उसको ये सारी चीजें एक्सप्लेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, students, so what is your next exercise? Some sentences I have given to you, but you'll have to change the sentences as directed. Okay, so I'm going to speak the first question. What is that? They zoomed into the photographs to unlock the mystery of the UFO. Okay, so you'll have to change it into future continuous tense. अभी ये किस में है, past simple में, और जब इसे future continuous में change करेंगे तो हम use करेंगे will be plus verb fifth form. So we will write it. They will be zooming. They will be zooming the photographs. Okay, to unlock the mystery of the UFO. Okay, what is our second sentence? The crew greets the passengers with the folded hands. You'll have to change it into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, it means you'll have to use was, were plus verb first form with ing. The crew was greeting the guests with folded hands. Okay, what is our next sentence? The film was so scary, he trembled on his way back from the theater. You'll have to change it into past continuous. So we will make it, the film was so scary. The film was so scary, he was trembling on his way back from theater. Okay, what is next? Oh no, we are traveling to the USA in the same week you are visiting India. So this is present simple, this is present continuous, and you'll have to change it into future continuous. It means we'll use will be plus verb fifth form. So this will be, oh no, we will be traveling to the USA in the same week you will be visiting India. Okay, what is next? Manan will be teaching us how to dance. So this is future continuous and you'll have to change it into past continuous. So this will be Manan was teaching us how to dance. Okay, what is next? Why do you suffer so much when you can easily ask for help? So you'll have to change it into present continuous tense. Okay, so this will be Why are you suffering so much when you can easily ask for help? Okay, what is next? I will be wondering if anyone will be knowing what time the guests will be arriving. Okay, what is next? The alarm rang so loudly that the neighbors complained. This is past simple and you'll have to change it into past continuous. So this will be the alarm was ringing so badly that the neighbors were complaining. Okay, that's it, student. We have completed our